How to import Telegram wallet to tonkeeper wallet. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to import your Telegram wallet to tonkeeper wallet quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open the tonkeeper app on your phone. On the main screen, tap import wallet to begin the process. Next, open your Telegram wallet by typing settings in the #wallet chat, and from there, select backup and view your 12-word recovery phrase. Make sure to write it down or copy it securely and save it in a very secure place. Now, go back to the tonkeeper app and input the 12-word recovery phrase for your Telegram wallet. Make sure everything is entered correctly, or as any mistake will prevent the import. After entering the recovery phrase, tap confirm and your Telegram wallet will now be successfully imported into tonkeeper, and your balance will also appear there. And that's how you import your Telegram wallet into tonkeeper wallet. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more guides. Thanks for watching.